Tara na!
Ang nga sangyup o affordable, tara na! 1, 2, 3. Magkindat ta. 3, 4. Kim Dati. Kim, si Kim Flores, si
J. Tradition. I. Innovative.
S. Strategy.
D. Dinesis.
A. Adaptable.
M. Measurable.
Yes, Bob!
G for Jamaica. I for kanang dapat na mo sa product quality dapat make sure na mo na easy lang to sa customer na makicommunicate sa mga business o
Jenny Cosmetics! Ano ba pa? Gusto mo hangis? Gusto mo kamuputi? Tara na! Jenny Cosmetics na!
At ilang responsibility nga if-fulfill donut. Kay kagagaling pa, sino mag-later. O galing cylinder mo, pwede din yung cylinder sa mga kay Jano.
Our school communities and to understand our understanding and technology and to improve especially our education empowerment. It helps our school communities or our communities na mag-enhance and improve sa tungkol sa technology.
Kung asa po kakulang, asa po din mo, asa security, artificial intelligence or AI o para.
So sa tools na ginamit niya din, computer, laptop, cellphones, o uban pa nga mga devices. We are the group 3 and we will role-play the importance of intern.
Yes, I'm wrong with you. Okay guys, let's buy our food, but where?
Don't worry everyone, I have an app that can easily order our foods. But what's your order?
Burger.
Chicken nuggets, chicken,
Pizza.
okay, our drinks.
Thank you,
The cheese.
By using the technology in society has both changed and helped us to make things easier. So, as you can see to our role play, we can buy food by using cell phones. So, remember that if we were using technology, there is advantage and there is disadvantages. Thank you.
Okay pala.